Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford F-150 in an XL trim, powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. Coming with running boards down below and the STX Appearance Package, giving you some unique accents, a unique grille, unique rims, and black interior cloth. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with the black cloth, as I mentioned, can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle, you have two cup holders with a 12-volt USB and USB-C and 120-volt power outlet. And looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information, your driver assistance features and settings, fuel economy, eco coach comm screen, and digital speedometer. Then on the left you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, and above that you have your camera view again, as well as your hazards and traction control shutoff. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left, you have your trailer brake controller and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet. Down below, you have this bin with a USB and USB-C. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then back to your center console area, we have two cup holders, a large bin, and lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.